You are now watching ITV1. We interrupted programming due to a weather. Damn it, why am I doing this? We had been alerted that AEF5 or Type 5 tornado has been spotted. When the tornado hits, it would cause massive damage to places. This tornado is also combined with thunderstorms and flash flooding. This tornado is only for London. There was also a thunderstorm warning for Leeds, but it's stopped by the Met Office. Please, I just want to be at home, not in a EF5 tornado. We will be switching to BBC2 during this London disaster. It's like, just switch to BBC. 2 already, I'm going into a shelter.
Come on, everybody, we're late. Bart, I want you to promise me you'll pay attention in Sunday school. Bart? Bart? Bart!
Whoa! Are you talking to me?
What's this? A personal stereo. Were you going to listen to rock music in Sunday school?
Maybe.
Can you believe this, Homer? Homer? Homer?
No, we think.
Oh, Homer, were you planning on sitting in the car till the game was over?
Maybe.
It's because of your irreverent attitude that Bart thinks he can sneak headphones into Sunday school. Now move it!
Now, here's the kick.
The Met Office has now read a more red emergency. Pay attention closely.
It's been confirmed that people that are outdoors are being swept away around 100 miles per hour. This tornado is now moving at around 500 mph and will currently kill everyone that is close to it. Windows are being cracked while doors and entire roofs are detaching with trailer houses and being lifted in the air. Cars are obliterated into trillions of microscopic pieces, while people are getting decapitated nearby the tornado.
you're doing is not what you think.